In this video, I'm going to give you 3 winning products to sell right now, mid-April 2020, so you can start getting massive results for your Shopify store. But for the magic question, why should you even trust these products and trust me? Well, I gave out one of these products around 3 months ago to one of my private students, and he was able to take that product and make $100,000 from March all the way to April, mid-April right now, in 45 days, crush $100,000. He is a private student member, but that was one of the products that I shared here on YouTube. He took it, he absolutely crushed it, made 6 figures with that product. So if you don't trust me, these products can literally make you $100,000 or more. And a quick announcement, I am launching a 5-day free live ecom training starting May 4 to May 8 or May 9, a 5-day full training on everything you need to know about e-commerce. It's going to be here live on YouTube. If you want to participate, make sure to comment down below, automate. We teach people how to automate their Shopify business. Subscribe, hit that notification bell and click all on notification bells and that like button down below so you can watch every single day of the training. If you want more details, it's in the first link down in the description. For the first product, the hair trimmer, the electric hair trimmer, specifically for men. It can also be used for women, but this one right here, although I'm showing you the products on AliExpress, I still don't recommend using AliExpress for fulfillment. If you want to know other options to using AliExpress, there's a link down in the description on AliExpress alternatives and how you can get 2 to 3 day shipping on your products. But regardless, this is a product that is massively selling. It's a cordless clipper, just like this one, and it looks very professional. It looks very clean, very nice. It isn't just some junk from China. It does look actually really clean. You can even get it private labeled if you have the right contact. And a lot of people are stuck at home right now during the quarantine, during coronavirus. So this is a massive product to sell for anybody that doesn't have a barber shop that is open, which is pretty much everybody around the world. I have to get a haircut pretty soon, and there's no barber shop inside. So this is a product that I might buy if my hair would get too crazy. And there's a lot of people that's their thing right now. They need some haircut to do. There's also challenges online on who can get the best haircut from their wife or their girlfriend, and also trimming the beard. For the stats on AliExpress, it's selling around 100. It went down to around 72, 73 per day, but it went back up to 120. What I'm thinking is going to happen with this particular product, always do your own research. Don't just take these products and start running them. I highly suggest you make your own research through these products. But what I think is going to happen is going to keep shooting up to around 200, 300 a day. It's going to stabilize again here around 150, 100 a day. There's a massive product selling consistently. Again, on Google Trends, which is basically Google's way of measuring how the search volume and the trend is happening on Google. It keeps going steadily up. If you look at hair trimmer or the past 12 months in the United States, it was around 10, 20, which means there was average search volume. A lot of people are searching for these products, and now starting in May 21 and March 21, it just absolutely shot up. And here we are at April 11. Today is April 15, I think, or 14. And then this is projected to keep going up to April 18 to go to the hundreds. So this is a product that is shooting up, shooting up, shooting up. That's where you got to catch products in this trend line. When it's going up and up and up, you catch it, you ride that wave, and then you go down with the wave and make a lot of money with it. If we look at Amazon over here, the movers and shakers, which I talked about in the past video, one of my product research strategies. If you go to beauty and personal care, and if you go past all these hand sanitizers and soaps and hand sanitizers and soaps, you will see that one of the products here, which jumped up from the sales rank 1,549 to 210, is a hair cutting kit. If you keep going down, you'll find other hair cutting kits, beard trimmer, cordless hair clipper again, and then we go back down and we keep finding hairless or hair clippers, cordless hair trimmers again and again and again. This is a product that is popping massively right now, and if you sell it, you're likely going to get a lot of results. Always do your own research, but I highly recommend it. For the second product, I have this aluminum laptop desk or ergonomic home desk. And as you know, obviously a lot of people work in offices. They can't go to the office right now because of quarantine and lockdowns. They having to work at home using Zoom meetings, having to work online. This is a great product for anybody that wants to work on the go. It's also extendable, so you can extend it. They can work when they're sitting down or when they're walking, or not walking, standing up. So they can actually use it whenever they want. They can also use it with the kids being on the floor or in the sofa and on the bed. Basically every single place they want, they can use it at home to work. just like this. A lot of people are in this situation right now. They're working from home, they're working online. They really don't know where to position their laptop or how to position it properly. And a product that's $20 or $27 here on AliExpress, you sell it for about $50. It has that value attached to it because it's a massive, essential, high value product to sell right now. If you look at the stats on Pexcliffe, from 200 a day, it was going down to around 140. I thought the trend line was going to keep going down, so that I wasn't going to mention it in one of these videos, but then it shot back up to 166 and it shot back up to around 239 per day of these little aluminum desks. So people definitely, there's a demand for this particular product. If we go to Google Trends, again, we look up home desk or portable desk or anything you want. Let's type in portable desk. We find that, well, home desk, actually the blue one was around 30, about 40 originally before the whole coronavirus quarantine, and then it shot up massively to 93. It hit 99 here. The trend line shows that it's going a little slightly down, but it definitely, the trend and the demand is way massive compared to around 6 months ago or even 30 days ago. It's shooting up and up and up. So here we have it at 93, 99, 100, which means a lot of people are interested in this product right now. For the third product on the list, a kids or babies watering coloring book. This particular product, my assistant found it a couple of days ago, and it's a massive one. It's selling for very cheap, and it's a little product right here. As you guys know, a lot of kids and a lot of babies that are usually in daycares or at school, they're actually at home on lockdown, not being able to go outside. Parents are going crazy at home with these kids at home, so they need to buy something to at least pass the time, and also not something that's crazy expensive. So you can basically sell a bundle of these. They'll cost you around $3. If you sell around 4 of them, you can upsell them for around $30 to $40. So quite a nice price point. If you bundle them together, you sell a couple of them, and you also sell them along with the drawing pens and everything that's included in the package. If you look at Pexcliffe on the stats, this product was quite stabilizing here around 40 to 60 orders a day, 50, 40, and then it shot really nicely up. Again, I thought it was going to do a downtrend down, so that's why I wasn't going to mention it, and then it shot back up to 77. What I think this product is going to gain a lot of traction. It's going to go up to around 100, 150 per day, probably as long as some dropshipper or a Shopify owner starts selling this product. If we look at coloring books on Google Trends with the past 12 months in the United States, the interest is pretty high, around 40, 30. It went up to around 75 during Christmas. Obviously, a lot of parents are gifting their kids, or a lot of grandparents are buying their kids coloring books and products for toys. And then it went down again to around 39, and it shot back up right when the lockdown, right when all the schools started closing. It shot up to 100. The biggest it's ever been, and now it's 98 for this particular week. So definitely a very high demand product, just because kids have nothing to do at home and you can't just watch Netflix all day. It gets boring at some sort of time. So definitely a great product to sell if you have any interest in selling in the kids niche, or if your store is related or general to this, definitely a good one to sell. Now for our last bonus product, and beware, precaution, you might not be interested in this particular audience or this particular niche, or you might not even know how to sell this. So this is for people that have a slight interest in what this product has to offer, and you might have to educate them a little bit as well, because I had no idea what the product did in the beginning. They are hydrogels or watering gels or plant watering gels. I'm not exactly sure what the real term is, and you might not even know what this is, but they are little beads that you put in your plants so that they stay watered, and these apparently retain water inside of the plant. A lot of people buy them. If you look at the sales volume every single day, it's around 500, 480, 800, 300, 278, 360. So it's stabilized around 500 to 700 orders per day of this product. It's absolutely insane. It's a product that is selling massively, and although these beads do come separately, you can buy around 100 of them for quite cheap, and you can sell them for pretty cheap as well. So if you look at Amazon, there's a lot of people selling them. They do sell them for around $8. So are these water storing crystals. It's basically the same thing, just a different version of the product. If you're interested in gardening and anything that has to do with home gardens, a lot of people now, there is a massive movement of people that are locked down, they're in quarantine, and they have a little bit of money, so they're interested in putting their garden beautiful, making sure they got their garden absolutely beautiful for when it comes summer and autumn, and they're putting a lot of effort in making their home garden or their real garden amazing with products like this one. So a massive niche to sell in gardening. A lot of people interested, a lot of money in it, and also people are in lockdown, so don't really know what to do. There's also movements about people saying that you need to plant a garden now, and there's also a lot of conspiracy theorists that are saying that there's going to be massive food shortages. So this is a product that helps you get food out of your own garden. So there's a massive niche around that. Potting mix, if you look at gardening or anything related to gardening, it does take a massive uptrend as soon as the lockdown started, because again, a lot of people have nothing to do their lockdown. They have to do something, and if they have a garden, they have some extra money, they can definitely focus on that. The interest is a little bit going down, but I just wanted to show you because as well as on Amazon, potting mix and anything that has to do with gardening or making sure that your plants are watered or healthy, it is a massive moneymaker right now. That's it for these 4 awesome products you can sell right now, starting today and during the whole coronavirus lockdown and quarantine. If you want to take your Shopify store to the absolute next level and actually get results like Johnny, who made $100,000 in a Shopify store with one of my products, and you want to work directly with me and take your business to the next level, make sure to schedule a free discovery call in the second link down in the description. First link is to register for a 5-day training. Second link is to get on a free discovery call, either me or somebody in my team, so we can help you and mentor you and take your business to the next level. Now that you know what products to sell, go ahead and sell them. If you want to learn how to ship your products faster and not have to use AliExpress and be able to get 2 to 3 day shipping even during coronavirus and the lockdowns, make sure to check that video right there. 2-day shipping during coronavirus. Click that video, watch it until the end so you know my exact strategy for faster shipping. Come and automate down below. Subscribe, hit that notification bell and that all so you don't miss that exclusive 5-day training coming up in 2 weeks. Hit that like button if you liked it and get a free strategy session with that second link in the description. I will see you on the next video.